Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming required items: a government ID, vehicle registration, insurance, and a clear digital photo. Once done, sign into the official portal or create an account. Make sure your contact info is current. Next, pick your payment method and keep your card or e-check details at hand. Start a new one-day permit application immediately so you don't lose progress. This gets you into the process fast and prevents delays caused by missing documents or expired logins. You now fill the form step by step. Type owner details, vehicle VIN, and license plate, then select the exact one-day permit date. As you proceed, upload the required scans, ID, registration, and insurance using JPG or PDF files under 5 MB. This avoids rejections. Make sure address and DOB match the ID. Once all fields are complete, read the terms, apply your electronic signature, and double-check for typos. This reduces back and forth and speeds approval. You finish by submitting payment and saving the transaction receipt and confirmation number immediately. After payment clears, download the one-day permit PDF and either print it or keep a clear digital copy on your phone. Law enforcement accepts both in most jurisdictions. If you don't receive a confirmation email or PDF within 15 minutes, check your spam folder, confirm the card charged, and then contact the agency help desk with your confirmation number. This single troubleshooting step resolves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.